Hey popcorn lovers, check out the CookNHome Stovetop Popcorn Popper with Crank, a 6-quart aluminum pot designed for even heat distribution. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction ensures quick, uniform cooking for perfect popcorn every time. The wooden handle stays cool and comfortable, while you crank the durable all-metal gears that stir kernels efficiently to prevent sticking or burning. 4 steam ports speed up evaporation to help pop kernels evenly and reduce oil buildup for easier cleaning. This pot works great on gas, electric, ceramic, and glass stoves, but is not compatible with induction cooktops. For smooth operation, simply add a little cooking oil if the metal gear gets stuck and turn the handle clockwise and counterclockwise. Enjoy fresh, delicious popcorn made right on your stovetop with this reliable and easy-to-use popper. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.